post-thunderstorm. Let's check it out. 3 leaves on the squash. My poor pumpkin is feeling a little overburdened, I'm sure, and a little wet. My dill is doing good. My peas are climbing. My weeds are doing their thing. The weeds I'm keeping anyway. Alright. This is the watermelon, which I covered last night with the hose so it wouldn't blow off again. It gets windy here. There we go. I don't know. Man, they don't seem to be doing bad. Ugh, mosquitoes, man. So much fun. It's the chickweed and it's doing amazing. Weeds, very easy. My Xpera pots, which are actually like flourishing here. So I've got 1 Romano bean, 1 black bean for sure, and it looks like there might be another one coming up. Or there was another bean and it got broken. Oh, that's sad. It was very sad. It did. At some point it got broken. So, here's hoping that a little love will be maybe okay. I'm gonna repair this and get back to you.